If you're thinking about investing in 2025, there are several stocks that could be worth watching closely, and knowing why can help you make smarter decisions and spot potential growth opportunities early. First, Tesla continues to attract attention because electric vehicles are growing rapidly worldwide, and Tesla is a leader in the industry with its innovative technology, expanding production, and strong brand loyalty. Their work on self-driving AI energy storage solutions, solar panels, and new vehicle models gives them long-term growth potential, and investors are keeping a close eye on how their expansion into global markets, especially in Asia and Europe, could impact future earnings. Second, Apple remains a powerhouse thanks to its loyal customer base, consistent product launches, and expanding services business, which includes Apple Music, iCloud, Apple TV Plus, the App Store, and increasingly, subscription services. Apple's focus on integrating new technologies such as artificial intelligence and augmented reality, along with wearable devices and health-focused products like the Apple Watch, keeps its growth potential strong and makes it a reliable stock for investors who value stability and innovation. Third, NVIDIA is a stock to watch because it dominates the GPU market, which is essential not only for gaming but also for artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and high-performance computing applications. As AI adoption accelerates across multiple industries, from self-driving cars and robotics to data analytics and enterprise solutions, NVIDIA's products are likely to be in high demand, giving the company excellent growth prospects and making it a favorite among technology investors. Fourth, Amazon continues to be a major player thanks to its massive e-commerce platform, cloud computing services through AWS, and ongoing innovations in logistics, AI, and delivery technologies. Online shopping and digital services are only expected to grow, and Amazon's ability to diversify into entertainment, AI-powered solutions, and cloud-based business services gives it multiple streams of revenue, which makes it a versatile and resilient stock to watch closely. Finally, Microsoft is another strong contender, thanks to its leadership in software, cloud computing, and enterprise solutions. With its Azure cloud platform, investments in artificial intelligence, and growth in gaming through Xbox and strategic acquisitions, Microsoft has several avenues for long-term expansion, and its consistent performance in both consumer and enterprise markets makes it a compelling stock for investors looking toward 2025. While no stock is guaranteed to rise, these 5 companies, Tesla, Apple, NVIDIA, Amazon, and Microsoft, have strong fundamentals, innovative products, and exciting growth opportunities that make them worth following. Of course, it's essential to do your own research, understand the risks, and consider your financial goals before investing. Watching these companies, understanding how they innovate, and keeping track of market trends can give you a better perspective on where the stock market is headed, helping you make informed investment decisions. By paying attention to their strategies, product launches, and market expansion, you can learn how these industry leaders are shaping the future, and potentially use that knowledge to guide your own investment choices. For investors who stay informed and patient, keeping an eye on these 5 stocks could provide insight, opportunities, and a chance to